Hello, and welcome to this, seeing trains thing I thought I would do, because I'm bored, again, I guess. Okay, no more mistake, enjoy. God damn it, track. Here we see Northwestern Railway number 8, Duck, sitting at Knapford Station, as number 1, Thomas, fly shunts some coaches in for the morning express. Then heads off for the yard. A few minutes later, Duck leaves for his branch line, as Gordon arrives to take the express. Then, as Gordon starts to leave, number 5, James comes in with an early morning commuter train. Further down the main line, the Duke and Duchess of Boxford's private engine, Spencer, goes over a viaduct. Well, that's all I'm doing for now. But there are, for a change, bloopers. So, enjoy those, and I'll see you in the next video where they will probably be taken play. Here we see Northwestern Railway Fuck that up. Further down the main line, the Duke and Duchess's box. Oh, fuck, I've done it again. I'm splendid! No, you're not. Oh. God damn it, cat. Yes, you flipped up the recording now. Move along. Try this all again. Further down the main line, the Duke and Further down the main line, the Duke and Duchesses. Yes, there's multiple Duchesses.